How to make a user a member of any group, how to add a user a primary group, and then how we can add multiple groups or a secondary group to our user. To do this, we will simply let's say we have a user ID demo and see let's member of this group, and do you see the user list cat /etc slash password. Let's say test user. Okay, to check the ID of test user is now a group of test member. To add a primary group of this user, we will specify -g switch for primary group and then specify the group name. Let's say we have a group name AK and we want to make test user the member of AK. Will first specify a group name and then specify the username. The username is test, and now we will run this command. And to verify this, we simply use ID and then test. Now see the difference here. Now the primary group of the user test has been changed. Now it's a member of AK group. Now how we can add secondary group to this user? So very simple. To add a secondary group, we will use the same user mode command. For now, we will specify -g and then capital -G. It's represent the secondary group. We can specify one secondary group or multiple secondary group in this command. Let's say we want to make this user a member of our group demo and then root as a secondary member. Then after specifying the group name, remember the sequence. After -g, we have to specify the group name and then we have to specify the username in the last of the command. Here the username is test. To verify it, ID of user test. Now the secondary group of the user test has been added, which are root and the demo of which we added as a secondary group of this user.